Colorado River.
No, don't.
One thing at a time, okay?
Where's Daddy's car?
Mounting.
Mommy, look at my leg. Mom, I'm so glad.
Hear me up.
Oh, away she goes.
Where are ya?
And she's off.
My turn.
Morning bike ride along the Colorado River of Moab. Let's do it.
I want to do that. I want to go supping on the Colorado River. That'd be amazing. Another fun activity on the Colorado River, jet boating. Wave. All right, we've reached the end of the bike path. Before turning back, we're going to have a special treat. Now, wait and see what we have. You're going to love it. The big reveal. What? Oh, what's that?
A Tim Tam.
A Tim Tam all the way from Australia. Can I have yours? Good sharing. And one for? Who's the other one for? You're trying to sneak too. Who's the other one for? Dave's going to be cranky.
Hey. I grew up on these things. Let's go. Let me see it. Quick, it's going to melt in your hand.
It's the hot.
It's not the wrong one.
Savannah, come on.
Tastes different.
Tastes different.
Thumbs up for the Tim Tam retreat by the river. Yay.
Tim Tams by the Colorado River.
America should have these.
Who thought we'd be having Tim Tams on the Colorado? This should be a Tim Tam ad.
They should have Australian chocolate.
They should. Australian chocolate rocks.
Shiny chocolate biscuit covered in more chocolate. Yum.
Jeepers creepers! Jeeps are everywhere here in Moab this week. It's Jeep week. The busiest week of the year. Sorry, I can't speak. I'm so overwhelmed. Look at her go. Woo! Powerhouse. Crossing the finish line with a smile. Whip, whip. Here comes the others. Savannah got up there without any gears. Smile. Woohoo!
Hey, look, Ma, we made it.
Well, that was a fun ride. It was about 4 miles return in total. And you come to an end, so there's only one way to stop. You can go on the road and keep riding if you want, but I don't suggest it because there's lots of Jeeps and RVs and stuff flying past. You get the gorgeous views of the Colorado River. You go past the Goose Island campground, where you can camp if you like. We tried to get in there, but they were fully booked. And just beautiful views of the orange cliffs surrounding you. And all those activities you can do on the Colorado River here in Moab. Really exceptional. We might do it this time, if not next time. Let's hit the hills, girls. Woo! Looks like everyone wants to go to Arches National Park today. It is Good Friday. What sandwich have you got, Savannah?
Vegemite.
Yay! Tim Tams followed by Vegemite. Best day ever. Junior Ranger time? Woohoo! What kind of arch is this one, girls? Just a round arch. Doing our Junior Ranger activities. I love it. This is a fun one, making arches out of your bodies.
This is my pose.
Oh, engaging with Mother Nature. I love it. What a way to learn. Is this better than learning in school books? Yeah. Whatever you think. Cool. Awesome. Where's the arch that you drew?
It's a donut
A
arch.
donut arch. What about
So then I showed
that?
that. Show yours. It's pizza arch.
That's your one. Pizza art. Which one do you like best, guys? One of each? We're on the Delicate Arch trail, first trail, 3 miles return. It's going to be uphill quite a bit, but pretty cool challenge. Apparently we walk around a narrow ledge. Funny thing is I've already done this. Craig and I in 06, I can't remember much of it. It's amazing how much you forget. I couldn't remember much of the park at all, driving along the Scenic Drive. But it is spectacular, the colours surrounding us now. So we're going up and down the hills. Orange and pink and yellow, white on a dusty track. It's gorgeous. Can't wait to check out this arch. Savannah, how are you finding it so far? Bad? We've reached the hard part, climbing up the exposed dome here. Puffing and panting, but it's so good. Body's feeling great, getting out and exercising, and this is just gorgeous views all around. Can't wait till we see the arch. This is amazing. Now, Delicate Arch is the most famous arch probably in the world. If you've seen any promotional materials on Utah, you've seen Delicate Arch. It is like their national symbol. Let's go and see it for real. Think of the most famous arch in the world. Yeah, so good you came twice. Kalira, first timer. Speechless. I'm speechless. It's just perched on the edge of the cliff there, and like a bowl or an amphitheatre. It feels like you're in ancient Rome or something, except it's man-made and it's orange and it's gorgeous. So now we're walking back, and I think we're going to check out the viewpoint, another viewpoint of Delicate Arch, and then a couple other viewpoints on the Scenic Drive back out, and then we'll come in another day to do a few more hikes and stuff. So the benefit of traveling for a long time is you can travel slow, which makes it a much better experience. Let's go check out that viewpoint. Bring it home, guys. You can do it.
Get me ice cream after this.
Woohoo! A nice short hike for you is Balanced Rock. We're walking around the perimeter of it now. It's 400 meters, which I believe is about 3/10 of a mile. It's pretty cool. So you can see behind me, oh no, it's that one, boop, how the rock is balancing on the other one. And here we have the Petrified Dunes viewpoint. There's some arches up the back there. We'll check them out tomorrow. Gorgeous. guys, we are back in Arches National Park. We're splitting our time here over 2 days, which makes it much more relaxing. And we're up here at Landscape Arch, which is at the northern part of the park. We're going to do a 1.6 mile return hike. You can go further through the Devil's Garden. That ends up being like a 7-mile return, which is not good with kids, too far for them, especially in this heat. But Landscape Arch is the longest arch, I believe. And it's meant to be really thin, so let's go and check it out. I think we're going to pass along a few other arches along the way. It is Arches National Park, of course, the greatest density of arches in the world, I believe. Okay, Pine Tree Arch. I guess there's pine trees. Is that a pine tree in the middle? No. There's the pine tree. I was standing right in front of it before. There it is, Landscape Arch.
Behind me is Landscape Arch.
Do you know what? Your head is right in the middle of it now. Feeling it was like a frame around your beautiful face.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was worth it. Keep going on the Landscape Arch Trail and come up the rock face. You get beautiful views out there. Just prepare to breathe deep. Doing the mile round trip to see the north and south window. Very famous arches in the park, and especially in the evening you can see the stars through them. We're not doing the evening one on this trip, just going to check them out now mid-afternoon. You don't like it? That's Turret Arch over there. Now we have the south window. I'm guessing on the other side you can take a picture of them close by, beside each other, but we're not doing that. Finish it off at Turret Arch. We are walking this way because the path goes in a circle, so it makes sense. So when you walk from the north and south window over to the turret, be sure to do that and be sure to turn around, because that's when you see the two windows side by side. Looks like a mask and it's super cool. If you decide to go to the turret first, you'll see this as you're walking over to the windows. So I'm happy now. I've seen that. Time to go back to camp and celebrate Anzac Day. Great Aussie tradition with our American mates. Guys, that's all we're doing in Arches. Thanks so much for joining our journey here. There's loads you can do in this national park. It is a great one. Good hikes, scenic drives. You can come in here at night and do some cool things as well. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another adventure. I'm sure we're going to have a couple more here in Moab before we move on to Capitol Reef. Still in Utah, still having a great time. Remember, you can follow our adventures on Instagram and Facebook at WhyTravelBlog. Oh, and in case you don't know, we have our travel blog, which gets 1 million page views a month, so it's a big deal, guys. We share loads of content over there, and it's where we put all our tips, loads of tips about travel, our current adventures, world travel, everything, family travel, you name it. So get on over there, join our email VIP tribe, where you get the best insider tips, personal updates and inspirations. WhyTravelBlog.com. See you there.